Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. You guys might have already guessed what we will be discussing today, what we will be analyzing, and that's none other than Axie Infinity, AXS token. Currently priced at $8.07. It is down about 5.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 5.1% in Bitcoin and 5% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. You guys can see the overall ranking for Axie is currently sitting at that top 45th spot with a market cap right below that $1 billion mark. To be exact, currently sitting at $916.8 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 86 million. But now let's get into the chart and see what exactly is happening with the price and where it could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Axie, as I've mentioned, currently sitting at $8.02. And I always, if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you already know how I kind of analyze the charts. But what I like to do whenever I analyze the chart is I like you guys to get involved in it as well. And you guys can see this right here is the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can't really understand as to what really is going on. But the reason as to why I like bringing this up for everyone is so we know what exactly has happened with the price over the previous few months and a year. And you guys can see last year, it hit an all-time high of $165.83, and that was almost near at the peak of the previous bull cycle. And since then, you guys can see we have seen a massive retracement happen, and to be exact, it has retraced about 95% since then. So that I want you to keep in mind when you are analyzing the charts. But now let's get right into the shorter time frame, on the hourly time frame, and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So you guys can see over the past few months, let's go on the daily so I can give you guys a better understanding, and then we can jump into the hourly. You guys can see on the daily, since basically May 30th, we have seen the price hang below this white line, and this white line is a level of resistance at that $20.05 mark, and seeing the price of Axie literally trade sideways since then and never really managed to break above there. We hit an all-time low, I believe, which was all-time low. Let's go on here. The all-time low this year was $3.91, and this is something I want you guys to keep in mind. We will discuss that right now. But overall, you guys can see the price has retraced quite a bit, and it has been in a downwards momentum since. And right now, even if we do go on the hourly time frame, it's still in the downwards momentum, but a lot of sideways movement happening within the price. But now you may be saying, look at this, guys. You see this massive volume come in over here on November 13th. This is shortly after the FTX collapse, and you saw the price go all the way up to $19. $19. And if I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, last time the price was at $19 was back on August. So since then, we never saw this happen. But guess what? This right here, what you're looking at, this right here, whale manipulation. This is not organic. This is all whale manipulation, and this happens mainly on futures. And you guys can see massive wick towards the upside, massive shorts got liquidated around here, 100%. And look what happened right after. Saw it hit a yearly low at that $4. So what does this show you? This shows you stay away from futures trading. I don't want each and every one of my viewers, again, my viewers, I care about each and every one of you guys. I don't want you guys leverage trading. No matter who's telling you, who's like, telling you to come get this bonus off of this XYZ exchange or whatever it may be. Now, don't fall for it. 98% of the time you will end up losing money, and listen from me because I've experienced this in the past. I've been in the markets for about 7-8 years now, and I would strongly encourage each and every one of my viewers to stay away. And this is a whale manipulation, so we won't count this right here as any sort of price movement within the overall analysis that we're doing. So if we literally get rid of this, you guys can see the price has been in an upwards trajectory if we take into consideration the yearly low on November 8th at the $5 mark. And we have been heading towards the upside. But right now, in order for us to really start getting excited is if we break above that $19.95 mark. If we get above there, then I would be convinced that the price is headed above this level of resistance. And last time, like I've mentioned, is before this massive downwards momentum occurred for the overall markets, which was generally on May. So that is something that I'm looking at right now. But as far as the overall price is concerned, I'm not getting too excited. And the price of Bitcoin is something we need to keep in mind as well. The price of Bitcoin is hovering, within this range at that $17,000 mark, which we will definitely take. But in order for us to get excited and say, hey, the price of Bitcoin is in the safe end, that is in this blue line. Blue zone. This is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Until then, I'm not happy as far as the price of Bitcoin is concerned. But for Axie, obviously, like I mentioned, I do need for the price to head above this $11.86 mark in order for me to start getting excited again. But right now, not much to be getting excited about in terms of that. But I do believe that this project has what it takes to start revisiting these highs. It's a fairly new project, but it has what it takes to get to that level, because considering, we're in a bear market, it's still holding almost at $1 billion market valuation. That should show that interest is there. But again, only time is going to tell. Remember that. But right now, these are some price levels that I'm looking at. And I will keep you guys posted if there is something that needs coverage. Let me know if you guys want me to make more updates on Axie on a daily basis. I will bring you guys just that. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down below where you could see the price going in next year before we come to the year's end. Let me know that down below. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.